Hi, and welcome to Stamp with Ginny. Today I'm going to walk you through our last chance list, formerly known as the retirement list, for our September-December 2024 mini catalog. I've given you a printable list that includes the new items added to our last chance category, in addition to the items that are retiring. Stampin' Up! Has relabeled the clearance rack as the last chance list. So you'll see returning items that you can now purchase on the last chance list in addition to the items that are retiring. This list also covers the kit collection, so you'll see that on the list. The easiest way to see this all is to go to the last chance category. But let's get started here. You'll need a pen, a highlighter, and your catalog. Okay, well, turn to page 24 and 25. The Season of Elegance collection is going to be retired, both of the bundles, the Peaceful Season stamp set, but the dies will be remaining, which is why the bundle is being discontinued, the Peaceful Evergreen stamp set, and the dies. On the next page, we have Reindeer Days. The collection is going to be retired along with the bundle and the designer series paper, which means both the stamp set and dies sold individually will be retired. Sentimental Christmas, we have the Wishes bundle, the designer series paper, and the individual stamp set and dies, which means the suite will be retired also, since it contains some of those items. The next page we have is the Snowy Scenes collection. This will include all the items in the suite except for the snowflakes, and of course the suite collection. On page 35 you have the Regal Winter Suite collection that's being retired, the bundle, the blackberry textured ribbon here, the designer series paper, the stamp set, and dies. On page 37, you have the Splendid Autumn Suite collection that is being retired, the stamp set and dies bundle, the woven leaves that are the sheer gold, that's beautiful, the wild wheat ribbon, and then the stamp set and dies. On page 40, we have the bundle, the Christmas label stamp set and dies, along with the bundle on page 41, the Light in the Year stamp set and dies. On page 42, we have the bundle, Decorative Trees, that is going to be retiring, along with the dies. On page 43, we have all three items, the bundle, stamp set, and dies. Page 44, Hang Your Ornament bundle, stamp set, and dies is being retired, along with the one-of-a-kind bundle, stamp set, and dies on page 45. On page 47, we have the bundle being retired for the Sweetest Star and the stamp set. On page 48, we have the Artful Amaryllis bundle, stamp set, and dies that are being retired. On page 50, all three items, the bundle, the Frozen Edge stamp set, and dies are being retired. On page 52 and 53, both stamp sets are being retired. Same thing for page 54 and 55. On page 56, the Yuletide Village is being retired. And on page 59, the Caring Leaves and Warms My Heart stamp set are being retired. On page 60 and 61, both stamp sets are being retired. And of course, if you'd like, you can do a quick index retirement with your highlighter. Also, this makes a quick and easy reference, and if you're looking in the online store, allows you to highlight things easily if you prefer not to use the list. I've done my best to give you an accurate retirement list for this mini catalog. Of course, the most accurate way to see this inventory still available is my online store, last chance category. I hope you've enjoyed this walkthrough of the retirement list for the mini catalog. As always, items are while supplies last in the last chance category. And you can see the availability in my online store. You can get there from my blog, Stamp with Jini. Thanks for joining me.